Hello everyone! I am going to show you the ECU Advanced function for Fiat Alfa Romeo. Nowadays, in order to meet the various needs, there are various ECU modules on the cars. These modules control almost every aspect of the vehicle. They communicate through the bus. These modules contain vehicle-specific information, usually the VIN code, but not all modules are VIN codes. If the ECU module is damaged and we replaced it with a new one, we have to use a dealer tool to program the ECU module through the bus so that the other modules in the vehicle will accept it. If this is not done, the new module could not work properly in daily maintenance. In order to save costs, we usually use second-hand modules. But the FCA officials, in order to let the maintenance technicians use the original brand new module, they add a recognition of the judgment function. Once the scanning recognition of the current module exists, other vehicle VIN or other specific information, it will determine the current ECU module for the second-hand control module default for the locked state and will not be programmed. After using the ECU Advanced function, developed by OBDSTAR, it can solve the above problems and then can program the second-hand ECU module. This ECU Unlock function can operate directly through the OBD diagnostic port on the car, and you can also operate by bench. Today I will demonstrate the Alfa Romeo instrument unlocking function by bench. Tap ECU Advanced. Select Fiat Alfa Romeo. Select the latest software version. Then we select Alfa Romeo. Find the IPC and tap Enter. We can see that there are ECU information, ECU Unlock, ECU Lock. Let's look at the VIN first. Now it shows that the ECU is locked. So let's unlock it first. Tap ECU Unlocked. Now the ECU is unlocked. That means the instrument is unlocked, so we can program it directly. Well, this is the end of this video. We will continue to develop special functions for other vehicles, so stay tuned. If you have any functions that you would like us to develop, you can send messages to us or leave a comment below to let us know.